properties on the Perth Road. And we're going to show you today that you don't need to leave the city to experience nature. So there are public gardens like this, where there are a lot of plants to see. And there are also private gardens that you can look at from the pavement and experience them that way. A lot of people have windowsill gardens planted on their windowsills.
So we've just been to the community fridge on Perth Road, and now we're visiting the edible garden of the University of Dundee. Just up here is lots of allotments, community fridge of some here, and these are loads of fruit trees, fruit bushes, that you can eat the fruit off of. And if you don't eat them, it's really good just to sit here, some coffee. Oh! Lots of flowers and beautiful sun.